Hey friends, my name is Samir and welcome to my channel. If you're into crypto and want to earn from airdrops, this video is definitely for you. These days, more and more crypto projects are launching free tokens giveaways, and many users are able to make profits just by connecting their wallet or using decentralized apps. But with so much info out there, it's so easy to miss out or fall for scams. So I started to looking for reliable platforms that actually helps you to stay ahead and catch the best airdrops. To save time, I asked ChatGPT to give me top 5 airdrop tracking platform I should know. And it gave me a great list of trusted websites that help you track current drops. Check your wallets for unclaimed tokens and get alerts about new opportunities. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And to be honest guys, I tried each of them myself, but I ended up choosing this platform it calls Ethereum Drops Hub. So it focused on AVM-based tokens and only shares real working airdrops by gathering verified information. I have already tested this platform. Now I will show you exactly how it works. Just copy the link, paste it into your browser and follow along. It aggregates all Ethereum-based airdrop from top L2 platforms, and just for $5 in Ethereum, it collects all verified airdrop data and automatically puts you in a whitelist. So guys, all you need to do is connect your wallet, and right after you will get priority access to upcoming drops. The platform pulls real data from well-known L2 projects. So we can even check their official links right there if you want. Let's visit Starknet as well. Here it's also pretty popular website for drops, and Tyco as well. Honestly, I've never seen anything like that. For just $5 you are getting premium access to top airdrops. Guys, just connect your wallet that you regularly use. For example, I'm using mostly Trust Wallet, Bidget Wallet and MetaMask, where I hold all Ethereum. So guys, just use them. And of course guys, you can overview the most popular question, for example, how long until you will receive the airdrops. They say that usually it takes 2 and 6 weeks after connecting your wallet. Yeah, easy. The next question is the wallet is safe, and they said yes, because they never ask for private keys or seed phrase. So you can be secure that your wallet is safe. Or one of the most popular question is why is there a $5 of fee? Because guys, they literally do all the heavy lifting for you, because instead of manually checking, a lot of platforms they do automate everything for you. So save your hours of work while maximize your airdrop potential. See you in my next one guys. It was a pleasure, and bye.